Welcome back to our fifth video in the comprehensive video series of business bank account opening in UAE. In this video, we will be discussing about the specific bank process and your meeting with the bank representative. All the banks have slightly different process in terms of onboarding, maintaining and after sales service of your accounts. So before we submit our application to the desired bank in which we want to open the account with, we have to be ready prior with all the documentation, all the profile, everything which we have earlier discussed in the videos. Now on the day of submission of your application, we have to provide the valid and legalized documents of your company, as well as we will be required to fill a form which is called KYC, Know Your Customer. So we have to fill this in detail. In this KYC document, we will be filling all the same details which we are providing as documents. We will be discussing in the document about the shareholder details, company details, the financial details which you must have been covered already in your business plan. So you have to speak that in detail in your KYC form as well, that what will be your turnover in next 6 months, 12 months, what will be your transaction pattern in that particular bank account, what will be your mode of payment, who will be your buyer, who will be your supplier, your buyer will belong from which specific countries, your supplier will belong from which specific countries. So this KYC document will be a detailed document which will speak about the company. Now once we fill this KYC document, we will be of course discussing about the account type and what features are we getting or what we are choosing, which we discussed in our earlier video. So you have to decide at this point of stage that what exactly you want from the bank, what account type you want from the banks, and what features are you looking for the bank. You can additionally add some of the FCA accounts, foreign currency accounts, which we also discussed about, to be together with your local currency account, which is dirham. After we are done with this, we can discuss about the timelines and approval for that particular specific bank. So if you are looking for your account to be open earlier, then we have to be sure that we are processing in that particular bank only, whose KYC and whose timelines in terms of processing your application is much faster than any other bank. So depending upon timelines also, you can choose the right bank for you. With the KYC document, there is a bank account application form as well, which can be digital or physical. This is very important to understand that there are some terms and conditions which you need to discuss with the bank representative, or there are some tax documents as well like FATCA and CRS, which you have to declare about your foreign income, about your tax details. So you should definitely read about these things as well when you're signing for your bank account. After providing all these substantial details, there is a possibility that after submission of your bank account, there can be additional queries as well which can be asked by the bank, which can be related to your bank statement, which can be related to your constitutional documents. So there is nothing to worry about. It's just that you have to prepare about that. Depending upon bank to bank, the process can take from 3 days up to 60 days as well. And also depending upon how well you have prepared and presented your bank account application. Some of the do's and don'ts while signing your bank account application. Although this has to be guided by your bank account representative, often if they miss it, so we are guiding you this prior. So when you are signing for your bank account application, make sure you are signing as per your passport copy, not as per your Emirates ID. Because tomorrow if you cancel your visa and you don't have your Emirates ID, your signatures will be always matched as per your passport. Always try to match your signatures as per passport. Otherwise, this can be a rejection query of giving a signature which matches your passport. Considering the bank account application has too many pages, that does not mean that your signatures will differ on different pages. This is often a rejection reason as well. So make sure you sign slowly the same signatures on all the pages. Do not use initials. Use your complete signatures on the bank account application. With this, we end our current video. Stay tuned for our last video of the series, which is discussing about charges and fees, which difference is there in every bank, and there are different nomenclature, different wordings which is being used by the banks to charge you. So be aware about that and do follow our next video to understand the charges and the hidden fees which can come to you. If you have any queries, any questions related to this video, do post that in our comment box.